Malungil tuta, Nancy, kada malungal tanga ko ka another Monday morning.
Oh, I see.
Kada martial program kita ra DOTAUT Tekoi Ureor, doing business in Palau. Kada dira kad malungal tanga talang open gather al tutao, ang kalmal klubo kal dil, radira Palau, Leah Asanuma Gillham. Oh, magimal mo nga sule, ngilat teme me opang kamam. Belaw era to mo le actual tour ka Nancy Macau ekra di iwi imol verse. Etyang Bible verse to tika ngira Psalm 19 verse 1. Was to the choir master, a psalm of David. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the sky above proclaims his handiwork. Maldio ay sangga David tawase mga sule la Dios wase ay kaliang at maralo otiak klap kalela Dios tialiang darbab adire kal rogi lo ay sraikal lurerel iman etya kora atterleng kaldila dire kal mal beto kaureo re iman loru la dire lo oti ay klap kalel tial belul ma Palau tangaringi languspe ay gel malngi ablebele la Dios natural resources langal tangat tal merigit masaygi di ako first rigit latial sure git amarangi conversation Leah katamal ko nati at atu mga kamanansi ako tulu leleng soma malmal rather Palau lo mes to kubet sar mi kakarel at so mamalo mesable inspired mang tirigal gukpia kalo tangal kaw amal so mama polo tingal wase Leah Asanuma Gillham koral atira kal o bang klel el tokar Palau mal ngal kar Palau other Palau kanta maulala ay ko o ice wase kaw pamaltaang leel larker oy.
Okay, nagtutaw ang Leah Asanuma Gillham, ngalkar Palau, namo ngalagala kazuwa mahiromi Asanuma, elakpila Tiger Gillham,
Tidakal other Palau,
terur ngalakam, agi the last 10 years agim nekirakwam gim marbelaw ay mugul marakwam elagim lan muter marbelaw agim mal mlamo maktertel gim dibus magim man omsigal muter return al marbelaw finally tagi the pandemic awel ko ay net push ka mamalo si okay mal na mo gida dan mugul marbelaw sa ilang kalya karangal gaman nga school belaw o ilang nga mlarakwam hindi nga tel online school mga din
malungi larang mo tumlan mo tulog mo pa Palau.
Yeah, so it's really been good to be home. Palau. Of course, winter family nga, family nga ma'am, connect to the family. Although ako amari kalsal oroy, then Palau din, yeah, it's like so near but yet so far.
So
No place like home, so it's been good to be back.
Mablida karabit matangalakwa mga se katuko makalal di aksal adalat mata kura aroy da pita gitu di aksal matingir wase this is a real home or
some connection at the hangaringi feel at home, so
yeah the swimmer you want to be here to kasama marul and getting kokora inadequate lang why aroy da wase kasi kat med aroy de. Yeah.
I see.
So, yeah. So with that thing, makase das was saying, what do you want to do? Marse, Palau, in terms of, creating a small business.
Tekoi Ureor.
Yeah.
Oo, antiya ka ilang ka mama sira era gimuban morakwam already gimles tatra of course aruba ka nga niya business ringi nga uluro ra government PVA for 5 years and then finally karuba ka nga hadir kamlara government for a couple of years but of course he was always in the private sector kaya family business ringi mong din na encourage na nga. Pa imlo inspired by him as nita kapag the government kapag do business. Because private businesses, there's opportunities are endless.
Yeah.
Mga government, it's kind of there's a dead end, like not a dead end, but it's limited where you can go. So unless sa mga politics or something like that. But so actually we decided to start a small business that would keep me busy and also something that parang I feel passionate about is magimlo statal look into the coconut oil business. So and that was the start of Pure Palau. Gimla inspired by a kumbali na Fiji called Pure Fiji, and they have a beautiful product.
Beautiful, yeah.
We can do the same thing here. We're an island,
Yeah.
and apato kaliw sergi dire.
Kanti yung mesingil liw surwadi berpere patante
Exactly.
Ang kuradi ka most PL na magamlom das.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ako mesra tourism market, lo sa nga our tourist talmet sorry lo siga omyange mara, so why not tap into that market. At the same time, my love of using coconut oil, kada ba mo mal beneficial. Sige ta gim na start the business, beginning phases agira man mo marakwam. So it's been 2004 that we started our business, and then moral marakwam, and then we had, literal managed the business while I was there, hired people, I trusted and staff, but trying to oversee it from Guam was challenging, has challenges, but I was able to go back and forth.
Ela kukura akari ke Leah kita mal kau tinggal makatagal time hindi mal suak tirgal kuk makikarel atalomes elo tinggal waseng ang kay del Tekoi ra coconut oil kadim lengal bela la ka dire kalmla skuru bela un suaka polo tinggal wase kokuktilog dara koro re morke dia kal ngara tumamtas lo sen kakalel diblel kera ngabar dalia el memel pa alloru la coconut oil.
Nice.
Nga hamla ako elementary school. Graduated 8th grade, and then mora school ang rigi. Mas PMA sa boarding school. Mara lulis and fun. So, and then active le 2 years lang PMA. Marigel. Makno junior and senior high school Ohio. May family we had a connection in Palau. Interesting.
Pero malungil experience.
Maktim na 16 na rin. Hatel mo lang kasi rungan ng adim na 16 na rin. 12 dal maral all by myself all the way to Ohio to live with a family. I had people I don't know, but
homesick de utaga ngal.
Maral homesick ma. Tirgal family de kilobentari. Kadala labliri nga backyard tira Lake Erie, one of the Great Lakes.
Yes.
So I feel like that saved me because it felt like I was near the ocean. Pretend it was an ocean. Marami homesick, makmorteliga, makumbesutial body of water. At least it gave me some comfort. I didn't realize how much I feel connection with mga.
Sendia kal ngari kita rogo ya Nancy. Kita me mo karo repela mal angira del me dara body of water. Ya lo ko nya Leah masya. Ka penya lege nya ko rati daso sen ko rati wa.
So akmaral lirarong kaya huta ka ngala. I know mali 3 months. Give it 3 months. The homesickness is because at first sirakot tal mararbelan mo alkok maskurak pam after 8th grade. Travel mora Long Beach for the summer mo mesra anti nga Maria matala, and then makraman na mo swakal ko see the world makpalim na nga so kan maskurak kwam madala. Are you sure makwak mo kero bangela anti nga skura academy makmal dim lol 2 weeks sa Laura labala kalme so kalmorbe homesick.
So mahal
Maktim lang 2 weeks, aklibutan man pa din na PMA. So when I decided to leave again in Morang Brigel, akmarirer.
yeah.
Okay, I already did that. I'm not gonna do that again.
Dira
Dahil akmal aroid.
Alam nila experience sa kama mara PML ang kurang sugi dal kurang ko
Yes,
ay
kamo
aroy dara
independent.
adara believe. Oo.
So you get older, mature.
Oo.
So, and then akmlara plumber say, high school say, Emil marahawal 1 year, and then nutal me, mlatakpan materara sa aduy.
Oo.
Makmle, edi meron ko nga te, a plus scholarship, Australian scholarship.
Oo.
Either.
Ako remember sa ko Australia.
Oo, makmlara school Australia. 4 years and graduated from Australia, November School Australia. So that was a very good experience at School Australia.
That piece of paper you have is...
Yeah. And then about I parang learn na sa School Australia. Ako ramle open my, so the travel and life's experiences, you really kind of feel your mind opening up and perspectives change. Ako parang say, tell Australia gina nga pela kada di say US marahawan but direct rapat tangani mo dal baby rabulul duwa marigel duwa Australia direct ka Dehadville US is not everything, I'm not bashing the US, but it gave me a different perspective. I felt like I was looking kind of outside the box and looking in and going, maldirect ka sa and may learn from our other Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Siabal, New Zealand, whatever, di habang maldi na Hawaii, US, There's also opportunities here. And then I got a chance to really connect with other Pacific Islanders. Adra yun adra Samoa, adra Tuvalu, Fiji, adra Hawaii, kaya kadasan mal mitra adra Samoa, this from American Samoa.
Oh, I see.
That was a very good experience for me. Meeting other Pacific
Islanders. Dira kal take it experience sa kaul ka. Kamle ka karel emo kamay sa balu akora kuk mo tangal tarira atrangot al balu adire kal angil sukaw Mr. Overbelon Mortial Palau Visitors Authority already ka koram lamang tanya sorry atrangot al balu
definitely akmalo mara say traveling sel the travel do may sa balu kada maral ko na mesa batog open na mind digit edire ka maral mo appreciate travel appreciate home and what we have and hindi na kasi rakarsim lang niya para School Australia. Of course, ang mga generous scholarship para Australian government. Pero rohul school the mga books ka maski the living allowance the mal generous. Mga hama vegetarian nga material friends ko may send daw emo backpack for 3 months in Southeast Asia.
Wow, so you
so adventurous Nancy.
Madala karang backpack, magi mo backpacking, magi dio o tok lang backpack ka in 3 months and live on a budget, travel on a budget for 3 months, magi mo ara Australia ay wala so bakal Singapore.
Say gite Nancy ang kamama ko tol close friends and they say self touringin was tilay self man kakal sabi ko rulil ko natin imol backpack ako may sa palul lenga ka nga mo kal man so kayel ko rahmal
gudi imes sa nga lang kimasi ano kaligta by the time you live ang tel backpack kam lamot
lamot
but anyway mga natin ko passion learning in the Southeast Asia.
Okay. Elang kan friend na nga halngal ganyi kini roommate na nga. Awasi. Leah, we're gonna save our money and let's go backpacking. What do you mean backpacking? I said, it's a type of traveling where you just travel with a backpack, all your belongings in a backpack. So we travel light and we travel cheap. And here's a book. This is the manual we're gonna follow. It's Lonely Planets. Southeast Asia on a shoestring.
Wow.
Meaning like you can go and then it lists cheap places to stay like hostels, youth hostels, small B&Bs that are targeting the backpacker market. Travel. It's a market of tour type of travel. And it's popular in Asia, Europe, and a lot of young people do it, like before they go to college or right after college before they find a job or try to figure themselves out or whatever. So masira gibong maral ba to Europe all youth like college students all just backpacking and traveling from so we started from Singapore we flew from Australia to Singapore Ngarse, o Mr. Tegi del Buch. We planned, okay, from here, now we should go here and visit more Malaysia. Lagi, get the cheapest way to get there, catch a bus, crossing the border, mura sa Malaysia, and go see the sights. And then, so the place, and then on $10 a day, you're living, well, that was back in 1990 lang. I'm sure the prices have gone
Tira ka
up.
man na help pero kami yun masugol budget.
Yes, budget, but really, and meeting all these other travelers, people, kids, students from all over the world.
Wow.
And ito, kasi kami makuktir kam largel May, so we're like, oh, what's interesting to do and see over there? When you go stay here and eat here because it's cheap and it's good. So it's like it's the journey in itself. It was really a learning experience.
Makura, maundas was last year umuray na ko kura mesagir. By then, I'm sure yung kamlamot kind of semi-independent in terms of kumumira ka school and you want to do this. So as you travel throughout Asia, let's say, narakamiles or maybe you wanted to start the business if you had that in mind. I'm sure Mr. items which we can do over here. There's
Different products,
coconut products, cups, maluping rangklel, alu, I'm sure you went through it.
Yeah, no, akti kamle. By after 1 year of, say that was after 1 year only of college, then we went traveling. So of course at that time, like, it was maral in the moment and enjoying everything. And di ko maral remember, so it was from Singapore to Malaysia, up north, Thailand.
Yes.
We'll spend time in Thailand all the way up to northern Thailand to go trekking, riding the elephants and everything in the mountains of Chiang Mai, and then Indonesia after that. So
Ay mang ngikikita lo maral mo kome sa tiakadil products ma kura services. Tiakidal take a risk. Ning aktira kalwase kakotem level all kura dim laringira kawa entrepreneur. Even though kam lora PVA, di kam level all wase payo Leah serve shop ngara kura mo all on da so makata kura dir ka ngalage ay gimal kura ka let tao da swam ra gigidal wase ngara sa ba other really
create something,
Etial backpacking adire kan mal taking a risk lang dia kala pekla ada bagay ulgukti sa kahalibay da nga backpack po to may setial Southeast Asia pa Basyo dia kamo tangali etil ang adire kan mal number 1 ang character trait that are entrepreneurs.
But can you imagine if you say or advertise marakwam may galbebi especially coming maybe yang undershare ko din barang betulang pikir. Create a small business. Marang karakwam, tikal high school. Kal kuk melbelaw kuk pakar mara Islands.
Michael bepating elabalu.
Yeah. It's a small entrepreneurship or somebody can create that.
Or like a summer camp program.
And we offer them.
Kasi do summer camp programs lang. Di wa ko ra abil ra. Abil, but for targeting ang kara. Kuha masayban.
It's good because you know
what a great idea.
Before Alpuram Brigel, by study the real island style, real.
I think
Bakal maliwak ka
there's a market for that.
Guam is an island, and then I believe the real island culture, exposure,
island living.
So I know when they go to the States, they will say, yes, we can do something in Guam also.
I see.
Business and it can be a week.
Oh, yeah.
Or it can be 2 weeks at most.
Tila dire kal malsuakal plamtali Nancy. Leng akmatin wasarwali yar seral backpacking. Wayalo si sakar kita mi kakrela to lo se ndakal kita di omlay tito
Oh, I see.
dito materialistic.
Yeah.
Ngoro osis aklito lo se how do you live with bare necessities?
Exactly.
Kora mi kakrel mo
Minimalize.
o ematial longi lulta swa se amral kita to to aramari li ako kalbori ikel wai ka mle experience niya sa emal ko help pildaralya program. La merongal rakwa mahawal me pakartial belaw. Matuk nga maray-ray mon ngar along ma
Homestays.
okay yan Airbnb homestays adrahon to and apple morakar pamatuk kaya milin tila maralungin lultas
Good one,
na si oy makat mauspera ka dire kal kora help malusat kal program malu makat put it together
Put together this, brochure that can be done. And connect, connect. That's
Elang kukura, wayan matel ay malbong arigid at kay gid al kuk first al segment ra assure gid kadamaral mlamo other belaw lo mesa kuk mlamo matangal kaul wase Leah Asanuma Gillham o yung akmal mareng asule maling dia kalbeyot Tekoi asel suko makapail o nga laka o show bay ngari nga ako koraswa man mo share giral sa igit era the commercial break struggles of at entrepreneurs kada honest about our struggles ang help para other mo tiakal matakpan
Yeah.
No, malungil. It is, of course, ang ngari priorities rin, family, not just our immediate family, but the marbebi rin, the marbebi wasyuka, maral, it really is about the prioritizing and time management. Saying naman, for a challenge for me is managing my time and efficiently. So, and then wasing make a list. What needs to be done. And
To-do list.
Yeah, because there's always a lot to do, and regarding, of course, the business. I try to stay on top of everything. Yes, or health, mental health, physical health. Yourself and your family as well, mga ligam. So, it's interesting. It's like you're managing your own time. You're your own boss, but at the same time you're like wearing many hats. So, maral time management is the key for me. Interesting, and not procrastinating.
Yes. Di ako malmasaw share tilang. Kanya nan si Otol inspire nga kara kim kaya kalil maral may makloling. Sa idal do Tekoi time management, tanya mal make sure nga nga time exercise. Kasi maral dire kal flow to talele, yung health para health argid, sisi apatanya. Kaya dil Tekoi Ureor ang gira tal masisi apatanya. Kaya other Ureor.
Oo nga hamalo marara connection of mind and body, like so mong piakalo ngilo rapat nga then maybe because ang lamo habit nga ka lifestyle nga is keeping physically healthy, so and it also affects my mental health if I don't feel like I'm lamo habit nga, and it's a lifestyle,
Kamases mong mal tira kal lokor on the society to wasing Tekoi Ureor amaran gire tal ngarinya ito sweat ahel
Asa?
nga kablool kuk mal bebelak mo workaholic mamblool reminder nga kalbasyali ali ahel ka
self-care.
Self-care ay makutal marenga sule mal giral sa igidal kung example marayang entrepreneurs luwaseng seldo mo la Tekoi Ureor asyo ba hindi kalgire del gukti mo amount yan Tekoi Ureor obesra take care of ourselves
And your spiritual life also.
life til am dire kan maklog portal ngani nga ko at Tekoi exercise ko swamel share wase so ko makata atara business ikal ko bayot sa ira dire kal retirees so alson tamo mera already rakabalmente sorry low show by kalel nga rin sabihin mo rapidly record abayot tal exercise at sabihin mo stretches
practitioner. Oh, masay. Dahil lagi dal masay master sa
garden around the house.
malungit physical
Ang kay dal
activity.
masay ko tal masay sa gigi dal malal matal lamalin.
Oh, I see. Igal ba tingin lagi dal they move.
Yeah.
Supposed to be moving physically. Sabi dal dirakram sisi the sweat lang sisi ba tingin because
Yeah.
really our health is our greatest wealth. I always like to say that. Because without your health, that's what I'm going to take care of family ka mga so.
The brain has to be
Oo.
strengthened enough to
Oh, I see.
think and
Yes.
see what you can do in the
Think maral life. I think it's a balance. Maral giral balance like. At said was a health thing. I mean, it's not it's like nutrition.
Yes.
Nutrition is not only physical nutrition, but it's like nourishment for the mind and the spirit, and it's all makes the whole person healthy. Just because you're physically healthy, this woman you're not getting enough sleep, you're stressing too much, you're not eating right, then you're not balanced. That's the key is balance.
Yeah,
not productive.
Makadaluwat talgok me tial program kita rato taut Nancy hal masaw laliyarat ay gal experience ring ilo ay sarikit makukyo ay sarka weliyal wasaw ul maging malulingit ra Nancy me magikay nga sir tial program rato taut to raw reor ling kaya dire kal mal original entrepreneur adaraw reor ngulmo il larap lili o muul marula otrulle nga kita elang ramurta to nar house o sisul time nga dire kal mal atrapor tra National Development Bank mangol nga seorar atar belon mo understand lo siya apang karikit at kal enemerikit apang karikit selbo to ta rokul atraw reor e botol tub at to raw reor mapang kamungo pangketal support ay kalore ay
malway siya ay will selbo to la askalo ng muktuaro de see through. Hindi ka dito pupel. Ito mas way. Try work with those
matuarang mo.
It will materialize at the end.
Why say? Tiya pang karikita at belaw maral. Kamal masawle Nancy. Mang liya ka ko por say gito. Lagi ta ko commercial passion ka raikal business ka. Kam ko ra mo ay suwase. Kaman mil karar omomu le koramil karar tian klel tian shobar ka kamlaus pe alon kamil karar cook momu la.
Okay. See. Stial al kombali kama pure Palau ang klel lagi ko ramlo inspired tial ko kon ra kombali nga Fiji lo si pure Fiji. Kama ko ra kapikyat ding maral I'm inspired by them like to dira ka Pacific Island Pacific and to Sicil YG and of course in muto Krol Bulu ding igal products tira to Dios pa igal natural resources and dalo ngarir ngarir tira Dios Sicil ngarir gid ma say hey why not that's a good business to try ma magi start from home magi dim rabbi mame esta talo sem ako tagim na stat Dios pa igal lul doru na other bela ay gagidal tolaban me yakadama manges and then malartiale this mem ko tamalongoy say magidil maaray gayid me magi murul sa kada mix sa royal mong ilabol o labal tir ka gibo mo na so pagidil le murul gagidal المول ما واسين ديا هنجيرة الكترال improver تيال
Yes,
product
nice.
تريد ما قد باي موسبي virgin مرور ترال مرور virgin coconut oil
I see.
إلا يقال لو أذر Pacific هذا سي رغول قد دي على virgin oil لين قد ولا بالمم قد ملغويس
Nice.
يصير دولغويس رنين الوايا بلال exposed المرا كليال ده إن وايا
Form na maungil domar abal si ering.
Ano mo labon na mo sa mga ringin, hindi ngoyal bla lusay gal mal ko raw ngil vitamins, gal nutrients, gal malungil
I see.
elements ra gal coconut oil. Hindi wa virgin olive oil. Ito sa ulmang virgin. Dili ka longoys ringin. Di wa yasay dangal mito. Hindi ka di molongoy sa gal yasay mo too much sing wa ka mo dia gal
Gal ayo
ringin. To sisil ideal but kadalo mo amul mem oil amul mem kukor this kukor ngil mo ngil dil bal evaporate tay gal. So a virgin coconut oil and mutul ngil quality. Tiya gal ulul do longoy sa other vela gal ulul da other vela mar other Pacific and that's how everybody does it. Magi siga press tas ko dos ay gal press magi umle order a press ra Papua New Guinea magi research la singa ya press tola para ada New Guinea dira camera version magi order magi dim la rabla start ter gora o spera open ra kama dry tas ang gira del mangese mem kada dry o turti al press o metring ya top del di lu el mol moringi tel imol non-profit siul mlaringa rakyati ke sole mga Patricia Leon, Frank Olinger, kung gila ada ngabar dan pilot Traskogi tin. Gariri. Tiri kita ngi blasta tegi del Seoul Institute for Sustainable Living. Ang nasoril ko atral. Revive atral bring up local economy. So their first grant was multi mill Australia, technology Australia called the Direct Micro Expeller Coconut Processing Plant, DME. So suma mo ra internet Google DME coconut, then you can read all about it. Direct Micro Expeller Coconut. Oo lang ngaring sige del word del micro meaning it's a small scale operation. Oo, while self-sustainable leng di halo spe rengi ma di hamo spe gas kadi uspe aray gali liw pride products rang gal liw sa telo ulak ngalel matkali el magaydong el mga yan matkali may electric technology
smoke it.
Tiawal kadalala oven stainless steel oven ang ari eungel ko tuay dong lengi ang mem kadak mesaliw selo mergara bebul tial oven okore ko gin why and then mala trial ko maktir tay lius ding di hal too much that's a trick ko maktir tringi man to ral maringi and then sel bol madir just enough ela adma man na mo badangani sa temen perfect time that it's ready and because if you do it too much try too much then di ka alu narmi tel mal di mo sel enough and then ko to then tungir tegit to ay lius ra press o metringi tal silsen one day operation as irmula 100 liws 2 gallons
malungit kay gid micro tel mil ringia plakpok pisit ringi sirak mo merbela maral kay gid lo sa ringin masin mal interesting dili mal sab ira rangal ra school ko kalsori ran ko ringi el soril mo malesa el tour gay lingi titril mo dili kal sobol mo rangal lang process ngaring cell management terangkal kirel mal cell quality dia polak
makambal ko ke marko nga obtasyon tel byproduct tel coconut can you imagine you can do so many things
you mean
tel coconut byproduct
tel blood pressure ngi to dai gal
yes
okay may gal lius sa gimakara
say the leaves okay I'm sure you have ideas.
Oh, well, oh, yes, of course.
Aktibo ronda suwas Semlo true as is. Semlo true as kelela arm or I can bata om alal mora mo cakes malwa.
Oh, I see.
Ikaw own ra ba yung business donor
Then,
house
sa MLO speri, even though agim la present tel aluol. Agi mo speri elang with that. Ay sel egel mo mbre el liu sun na mo dry. Of course ang to asing ariya sel baby lang ari ako ka tigal atrang esar ang ariya armid the bar. Ang mem to ko ba. Di ka mamamatiga sin sa MLO spe global scrap. Scrub ra magim la memba kama mamrula sob lagi merut tel alu otobdia alu ya product sir kama magim ara gimri il body oil magi atarwa kasku sabula kas lemongrass essential oil ma pink plumeria ma coconut vanilla mang ay gagi the product sir kama merut tra wasura alma ay gal gift shops or hotels mga ang gagi the variety of products that we do to give us a value added products bagi mo tarat tel di alu pa itself of course ang area product naman di tigil di pure oil hindi we can make a lot more money profitable by using it and making soap magi mula soap ay soap and then more mula cream
paraway kay gigil
rulia
elaktegit sel ang alu et sel cream gigita soap
may gigita scrub
scrub
ilang ari nga wanra ay del wanra sa mga ay sa soap scrub dapat ang util gigita by products ay gigita liusan lamo madir ay mem ngis rasils malmodray and then sel gimorula soap ay other ngi mesel bod util soap al medo yang ngi well ora tawasi it's a scrub it's like exfoliating scrub exfoliating soap
very nice gusto ko magtraw
it's called with coconut flakes
naturally my own scrub
from the sunan silwas kalito ko scrub ramata de ito ko mo ngilabul ito ko mo malat ka adire kalkal
lenga ka elam mal Dios pe ako coconut oil.
healthy.
I galdi nga lastong. I really I do use that every day. A moisturizer akalo ang allergy ka mata ka maka.
Ilang nga chemicals ring nga kamakway ka mo allergy ka dai gital para o chemicals.
Elay gigidal cream ako ko tigil cream virgin coconut oil cream Maria lemongrass fragrance pink plumeria and then the difference of course first of all the difference with the direct DME oil compared to virgin coconut oil brodo ba ara rasurang al kuraklo nga Costco or Kirkland elay gagida klo ka grocery DME has what they say is a 90-minute philosophy ito say it's the freshest most fairest in terms of employing locals and getting the coconut from honto otherwise hindi eloit makmora ngiwal makpigol ra kasi nga fred maayola fred ako spe 500 to 600 tang larmo matya bekal time di ba aloro ay galius magiri mo magyom arangi 20 cents sa one lives
that's a very good price
otherwise ay ano ko daw talaga kay eloit lius makuktiya siya uspe 600 mang ada mama mo magiyo tura masara flatbed ako tilo sa chiral masang buk extra ludo del mo
kadira kalmal cook spread at yan
of course el mora
about cloth factory ka you can buy
but the idea is ulmang tiada kapol clothing direct micro expeller hindi capacity ka mamal hindi capacity ka mamal store ay gal liw sa mga giraldi fresh once oiling Michael Clocklam diagi gora patoko di madel sell order agi say give us 1 week 7 to 10 days magim rule
fresh
di alu of course ay gagi alu asap amam remule store sa store then we'll have like maybe not more than 20 gallons at a time sitting.
What's the shelf life?
Shelf life for virgin coconut oil ako das so kung mungil at temperature then it lasts 6 months to a year.
Wow,
that's up to 2 years so mungil at temperature.
Very good.
You know, so mung kuha malding alam kayal. Then of course hindi ko mo sa tempo makasakad.
So
No,
So that's the difference
better.
between say gidel lo mo boss yung mal fresh. It's really fresh lang. Igel nga ra.
Igel lo maklod
Igel
sa-
lo volume at sa order internet they come from big coconut plantations and processing facilities sa Thailand, Indonesia,
Malaysia,
Sri Lanka, Malaysia. Ito nga rin coconut plantation ertir, mamaklol masil ertir, tamim tamara ay gal lius ay kang nga madela mangwel blal open aliw bes ay gal lius before it goes to the shredder and then madi nga masil. You know, all like machine done. Whereas our stuff is handmade, everything's by hand.
I'm sure
A big difference.
Yeah.
cloth production that they will put some chemicals to
Preserve.
I don't know about that because it does say that there are strict standards that if they say they're organic and my ingredients have to be listed and maldi. Normally, but the idea is once the nut has been opened, it's been oxidized and nasa the oxygen then
I see.
the quality starts deteriorating.
I
You know.
see.
Hindi kang maralungil mo kang ngaway sa tiyangin nansi. Laklol ko nga lakaringin mo siya. Ang halkiyat makang amaral prouder ka liyal wase. Ya tial MIC ko pral malmle ko ang clol factory. Kabay mal enya mo smodite gidal micro.
Direct micro.
Lang maral nga rin difference ra handmade and micro. Di waya sel tutul waseng katukora mga ra homemade
Yes.
dessert.
Homemade,
A quality versus quantity.
Yeah.
Ay kaya dire kal toltu paling. Ay kal shobar bela swat ay kaya kita small business.
I see.
Hindi kal swat ang cloth factory al aktire kal oreng sa ngaringa problem sa palm oil. Raikal
for the
puriping mga Indonesia le environment concerns langgukmal mag-cloth factory mang digal help pra livelihood there's
Tamlat siya sa tamir.
Oh, tira, I understand that they cut a lot of forests to
I see.
plant the palms. Ngira, agel komba maklol komba lira mrula alura wa Asia. Tamal they have plantations. They plant. Kita kuktio, kama dia maaray already existing. Oto se kata mo kasi wild crafted. We just get it from the wild. Wild crafted. That's another word in like the bath and body industry is wild crafted. Just get it from the wild. Mamada dollar ingredients rigid from the wild. Ikal karuda other belaw.
Hindi ako malungin, makukal nga rin niya, omes, at tadira ka mo appreciate, talwase, ang gotol klabo, kaleungi, la quality, la small businesses. Tiya ko radira ka family run, kada malamolame, ko ko ili anansi, di tiya gidia, maneso ulam leso mamal interview ka. O siya small business ra kita other bela ay kaya ater ra balu bela hindi ka lang ra katake karel balu man sumo take karel balu tio mer kam katalala a factories hindi ka nga lang sweet hindi o lang siya ra corporate ara atal nga tirigel tiri ang arpat dia kal spread artial well dan more bekla
Down to it.
imitira kal kaman masaw lang el angin kamu rategi del guk maidan Palau coconut factory der kaul mill inting dira kal subem guk expand mara baby rasyo bail el ka kukura beauty products eka into health mandi ka kukura so man share was nga rin kukura other rose another dream of yours
Rose.
Walang kotokote al. Abela ko kotokote al siya baring Leah.
Hindi nga hamaral tira ka taramal sokal mo. Ruringil tira ka mal moreover nga ka is to share what ako dingel ko kirala healthy living. Yeah. So healthy living el guk role la okra obrulgal. Akmaral na nourish for the last how many years alo si other bela amaral sige amaral kada maral uspe anges for sige
Yes, nutrition.
Yung nutrition ng malporap to kara. NCDs. Maral mapto ka kasinoma, igay kasinoma, family na kamalklo. Makmal ko ra together adi kung how can I share and maybe inspire what I know, more of a community.
I see.
A health food business more as an option more other bela talaga limited. Limited alwasing other sorry mga healthy galat tamang tika mal to ka ngil galat anding gira that said there's ways to make them serve them in a healthy way.
I see. Man marang.
So that's one of my.
Hindi rekal guk mo dito dito import.
Yes, of course.
The mga
eating
ikan
local.
maringiriki.
Ikan maringiriki. Mal to ka ngil galat. And then as a complement with the ingredients that we can in terms of the local. But yeah, having a maral so kalbrura healthy food business where sabi there are other the plant-based foods or the vegetarian foods is what I would like to.
O hindi ka tinakal man mereng asulem leka nga health coach nga ka mapiir kung health para mamal ko maklat kay galungil diet. Hindi rekal elatyal sioba erkaw nga kamalo marang alwasetyal liusa at yo sa milskit tyal liusa nansil kitar other bela letyal liusa at yakadil Tekoi beauty products makal malungit rabatengit hindi rekal malbeto ka ungil vitamins ringi ma antioxidants amungurul toli malmon mutat tyal
It's a tree of life.
Tree of life ya mo oy basket ringi marwawlak ngal oy mang
You know, I'm so proud of you for doing all this. Because that's something hindi ka tokal other belawa sang malupit sang hindi kaya sa build rois. So you need gila tong sa way ka was it can be done.
It is possible. It is possible.
Like you said, biya nga kang spell more other food. Like, what do you do with your tapioca? What do you do with your excess taro? Things like that. What do you do with your excess fish? Like with the new tax, a new bad tax.
Yeah.
Them na mo start the washing. Those are not taxable. Like what products are not going to be taxable? Then
They're not.
From
That's good. No, local products.
Local products.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
good.
yeah. Unless hindi ka the container, of course, will be. Anything imported will be taxed.
Ang malukor selwa segel most spell supplies ang like real may ay gigidal imported at the petax.
Yeah.
Ni kalgo kleus ang maloro war wa fret.
Yeah.
Ultra rakaw
They shouldn't be.
Ang will to koy. Lang maral gida the low spe ay kalgo ngaringiri kita al
I encourage our other
Yeah. So the new tax is encourageable like more
small business, local products.
Yeah, local products. Anything.
Local products
Because
and
you're not paying
services.
taxes on those.
Okay. So we're exempt from that.
Yeah, I believe that's what it is. Eman basta sabihin malupit sa alangar o ay gayit. So it is very encourageable. It can be done. And not just fish, even seafood, even seaweed.
Yeah.
Marangin,
Yes.
malbak patingin.
Maralo, kung mesel ang maral mo to ka na nga niya to local products.
Yes.
Yeah, mal important ta packaging.
Wise.
Very important
Mal
is
important
packaging,
packaging sumo ka target tra
Sell market.
market tra tourist mga so kung malungi la packaging rin
Yeah, let me just pick up some, and we just take a look at the packaging of this one. This is
natural.
made in Palau, and this is probably a pandanus wrap.
Baliit.
Ito di wax paper. Lagi maral tral, lagi market ako klam handmade. So we try to make it as natural
as natural as possible.
Instead of putting it in a box. So gidiro imong ko mal. And it's attractive man. Rasya pa na malsuri kay.
Isel local kaw. Tiya ka timle kaw, ngari am lehet.
Ti am lari help ka maruli
Oh,
digital.
I like that.
It shows. Kamo otin ang simil ko raso
It shows a woman probably using like
Made in
coconut
Palau
oil.
logo. Oh yeah, it's on the oil too.
Yeah. So it is quite nice.
Tila bang copywriter ngi, kamo copywriter ngi mangguk ka tiya o lang alent yan
and I'm sure in the future you can use like banana.
Oh, yes,
lola
yes.
man maliit.
Oo,
Yeah.
may aktira ka sa mal
Banana leaves.
o sigra so kalos ako mesrang kali al dirang esal kung murulang tokol products wala pa mangong
Kali la email ba?
Oo.
Kalbong labo?
yeah
Oh,
so
yeah.
like the natural products like kalos
Excuse me.
so kalos sigra ko ra basket
Oo.
or container sabi ako rula gift basket so
Oh,
ano ya ready na
beautiful.
products
Yeah.
set e ko tarari as a
As a
set
gift, as a set, yes.
so
Why
oh,
ya ka kamaru little ang lendira kal sabi ela ko ka ngar roy del sorry ko ra over centra ko ra for they present mo rak munta.
Oh,
yeah.
And sabi di mo ra website ka ko
Yes.
there ka.
It can be different size.
yes
From
oh
small
nga
to-
website nila
yeah.
ma'am oo so
Yeah.
I've been having
Oh,
online sales
Yeah.
deliver.
I was talking of the your wax paper. You can
nga alternate
do banana leaves.
oo yeah oh
Ay kaya
mamo
manal
yeah.
masisi.
Yeah, banana
Banana
dry
paper.
banana
nga rin yung rule nga rin yung
Oo.
That's
saying
another
you might-
opportunity.
Yeah, you
Oh,
might check on
panmarami.
that one.
I know in Kosrae nga rin akong balit tam nasta rula ay gagit banana paper.
Oh, wow.
So if they can
Yeah,
do it, we
yeah.
can
We
do
can
it.
do it,
Uh,
exactly.
Somebody, that's a
Exactly.
business opportunity for
Yeah.
someone.
Kom larame ang stirgal ko kome sa gitar el alsip
Yeah.
sa Nancy. Ay kay gidel malkoli yalo semse ay kay ko close pe ako tara opportunity,
Yes.
business opportunity te alal mar baby
Yeah.
other sorry tira. Amo supplier.
Yes,
Oh, supplier.
yes, yes.
Oh.
But you know, I'm gonna akmura surang limam aras sa pangikala. Scrubbing the skin. Itibela ko tal smooth ang breed.
Oy.
But the sun also does a lot of
Damage,
damage,
damage
no.
take
oh,
care.
I get the organic products,
Oh,
especially for local made, really.
I like recommend their sige the cream.
Oh,
Sige the
Virgin coconut oil cream.
Cream, oo. Elat ya mal ul mungungil ay kel klokla ka dire ang di kalbato ka ora chemicals mga
Exactly, that's
no
what-
ul magim rule fresh dire fresh to order sell order ka ma'am ka ma'am rule dire 10 days later we're not di kalbato ko ora gi blambo to gel dong on
I
but
see,
a
I
shelf
see.
Oh,
Which is nice.
fresh
Yeah.
the only time is sell order asurang ka ma'am PPR
Tamas kami,
Japanese
at
gift
least
shops
1 week ahead.
oh, kasi give us 7 to 10 days to finish this order and deliver it.
yeah.
So, game deliver, agi narmul, agi may magi mrule like cream, mga rama. And
then a shelf life for about
Oh,
6 months,
yeah.
a year, which is very good.
Yeah.
By then, you should have used
It's
one.
meant to
Yeah.
be used.
Yeah.
the only
Yeah.
preservative I use here would be vitamin E, because that's also known as a preservative. Natural vitamin E,
Yeah.
which is also good for the skin.
Yeah.
Why say
So, elat yamal di give them virgin oil and malubang gila beeswax, which is a natural beeswax. Avira ka malungi la skin healing also. Lemongrass essential oil, ay kaskus.
Why say?
Ura kaskus. And kaskus avira ka katamat nga bela lungil also as an insect repellent,
Oh,
right?
why say?
Sige na lemongrass rin avira ka insect repellent. And then vitamin E.
Malungir kasi.
Wala
oh,
tiya
malungir.
gilalial ko sa Maiden Palau, matyan malungil art. Kamil ka lang mal-inspired dala. Kita tel ramar mara. Aw labong ala.
Oh, okay.
Makakapam siya lo. Say what inspired you marulil waisem tiyan lo ko kan malklabo ko.
So nice coconut.
Maiden
Oh,
Palau.
yeah, again. Well, ang of nga niya, friend na nga Michael Glinsky, relate kaya kita, may ask ka rin yung mga rulya. Ako na art, sabi mo part na lokor ka mama, nga niya alba, mal kaya nga rin
Mal
tal
Palau.
nga Maiden Palau, pure Palau.
Why say?
Of course, he's very talented, mangriralil man moongil.
Hindi ka desa yung matingil
Oh,
wasan belaw.
matingil wasan belaw, of course, with the coconut there, it's a coconut oil product.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oo, yeah. Ya kamal masaula. Nancy, kato ko naman marawla po.
Oo.
Hindi kami tapos saulan, makukalo ko na inspire. Kasi hindi ka suamal kong ngaringar ko komes, kita rin al sales.
Why say?
Oo, ko na suamal share, mura aral gire lang Tekoi na Ureor. Letial programa, agigay nga sayo nga kamanan si Mapial, mga tatuar kami yun. Katoliki, sa ikang Tekoi na Ureor, at selbe lang. Why sell mo ko rin ilwasing, mahal ba to ka business opportunities?
Oo.
Makakukom ko ra share sel
Nag-alvela-owned
Oo.
business.
Small business, family owned and run.
Yeah. Okay, well, lakti so kalwasing either other bela or bigyakarel mal bato ka ungil te alan nga ringi, you just have to look. So mga ringi rarong think outside the box.
I see.
Di ka instead ra ako ra di mangir sel page ka every 2 weeks sel me mo to ka sang ma living standards expenses ra bela mal nga ra po di mal nakbada yung to ka mal struggle. So
I see.
yeah, think outside the box. Look for opportunities out there. Wapan nga niya alone ra NDVP for young entrepreneurs and women. So go and look, do your research.
Yes.
Look for something that inspires you and don't be afraid to go for it.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
It can be a part-time.
Yes.
Even
Start
if you're
small.
working for the government.
Yes,
you can
start
use
small, a
part-time.
side business.
Yes.
And I see some of that already happening.
Yes.
It's exciting.
To meritil amahan, diwin.
Exactly.
Okay, matagi man ba ng asule, Melia,
I'm gonna buy my stuff because
we love you.
Thank you.
Oh.